Yes, my name is Tanu Jain from the lovely public senior secondary school Priyadarshini Vihar. So let's start today's session with a new topic, that is angles and the classification of angles. So first of all, let us know what is an angle. We should know what is the meaning of angle, what is the definition of angle. So when two rays join together at a common point, that is an angle. Let's understand this angle definition with the help of this clock. Suppose I said angle is formed when two rays meet at a common point. Suppose this is your first ray and this is your second ray. These two rays meet at this common point, so the angle is formed here. So this is your angle. This common point where two rays meet is known as your vertex, and these two rays is known as your arms. Okay, common point is vertex and these two rays is known as your arms or the legs of an angle. Now let's start discuss the classification of angles. There are various angles in which we learn in our daily life. Like you can see in this chart, there are actually 7 types of angles. First is when two rays have only one common point, just like these two rays overlapping each other. So this is your 0 degree angle. Next, in this figure, this is your acute angle when the angle formed is less than your 90 degree. This is your right angle when angle formed is actually the 90 degrees. Next is your obtuse angle when the angle is more than 90 degree. Next is your straight angle when this is your straight line. Exactly, straight line is actually your straight angle and the measure of the straight angle is actually your 180 degrees. Next is your complete angle. Complete angle is actually your complete circle. A complete circle is your complete angle. This measurement is actually 360 degrees. Next is your reflex angle, the angle which is more than straight angle and less than complete angle. More than straight means more than this, and less than complete is actually your reflex angle. Let's again understand this with the help of clock. Let us again use a clock to again know the meaning of the different angles. First, as I told you, the 0 degree angle. You can see first ray is this, second ray is this. These two rays are actually overlapping here. These two rays are coincident to each other. So that means the angle formed here is 0 degrees. Now let's move to the another angle. Suppose I keep this ray fixed here. I move to the second ray now. Now second ray moves to the here. The angle formed in between these two rays is actually your 90 degrees, which we call as the right angles. If your angle measure is less than 90 degree, means this 90 is smaller. That means this angle is actually your acute angle. One more easy example we can see of acute angle is your fingers. The angle in between your fingers is actually your acute angle. This is your acute angle. Next is your straight angle when these two rays are actually making the straight line. This is your straight angle and measurement here is 180 degrees. Next I said that's obtuse angle, which is more than 90. My 90 was here and 180 is here. The angle in between 90 and 180, like this. This will be known as the obtuse angle. Next, come to the straight angle, then more than straight angle. And this straight angle is here, then more than straight angle is actually known as reflex angle. If I have taken the complete round here, like this, pura complete round will be known as your complete angle and its measurement will be your 360 degrees. So I hope you all have understood the meaning of angles and the classification of angles. Like we have discussed many general examples also. First general example is daily life example is your angle between your fingers. This is known as your acute angle. And if I said this angle between your thumb and this finger is actually your 90 degrees angle. You can see many other live examples from the surroundings of the complete angle and the right angles also. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much.